Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax exempt on your W-4. Claiming tax exempt status on your W-4 means your employer will not withhold any federal income tax from your paychecks. This can be beneficial if you meet the strict Internal Revenue Service guidelines. It's crucial to understand that this status is not for everyone, and there are specific conditions you must satisfy to qualify. We'll go over those conditions in detail to help you determine if this applies to your situation. To qualify for tax-exempt status, two main conditions must be met. First, you must have had absolutely no federal income tax liability in the previous tax year. This means you owed $0 in federal income tax. Second, you must reasonably expect to have zero federal income tax liability in the current tax year. Both of these conditions must be true for you to legitimately claim this exemption on your W-4 form. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, claiming exemption on your W-4 is straightforward. On the form, locate the space below line 4C. Here, you will simply write the word exempt. It's important to note that if you claim exemption, you should not complete steps 2, 3, or 4B of the W-4 form. After marking exempt, sign and date the form, then submit it to your employer. Remember, tax-exempt status is not permanent. You must refile your W-4 each year by February 15 to continue the exemption. If your financial situation or tax liability changes during the year, you are required to submit a new W-4 to your employer within 10 days. Failing to meet the eligibility criteria or not updating your form can lead to significant underpayment penalties from the Internal Revenue Service. Always review your status carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.